Okay, students. So, disease can be defined as a disorder or malfunctioning of the mind or body. It involves morphological, physiological, and psychological disturbance, which may be due to the environmental factors, or pathogens, or genetic anomalies, or lifestyle changes. So, it is involves mostly the disease. It is caused by the environmental factors in our surroundings, or yields the pathogens, any disease causing germs, or then in a genes, or in a changes in our lifestyle. So changes in our lifestyle na enna sollalam, ஃபுட் ஹேபிட்ஸ் சொல்லலாம். அது மாதிரி ஸ்லீப்பிங் வேக்கப் டைம் அது மாறுறதுனால இருக்கலாம். சும்மா நிறையா உட்காந்து சாப்பிட்டு இன்ஆக்டிவாக இருக்கிறதுனால இருக்கலாம். அந்த மாதிரிலாம் சொல்கிறது என்னது, லைஃப் ஸ்டைல் சேஞ்சஸ். So due to the environmental factors or pathogens or genes or then in a lifestyle changes, disease is caused. So diseases can be broadly grouped into infectious, non-infectious. So disease, it is divided into two, infectious diseases and non-infectious diseases. So infectious diseases, they can spread from one person to another easily. It is otherwise known as communicable diseases. And non-infectious diseases, so that non-infectious diseases, it is not caused by the germs. It is the malfunctioning of the organs. Okay, that disease, they cannot spread from one person to another person. We'll discuss detail. So diseases which are transmitted from one person to another are called the infectious diseases or communicable diseases. Okay, diseases, it is transferred from one person to another. Okay, the infection, they can spread from one person to another. So that type of disease are known as communicable diseases. Such diseases, it is caused by the pathogens. Okay, the pathogens may be present in air, water, or in a food or physical contact and through the vectors. Okay, physical contact, when we are touching their hand. Okay, then they are used the things we are using through that, or the vectors, we can say the example housefly and mosquitoes. Okay, they can spread the diseases. So the disease, communicable diseases, it is caused by the pathogens. That pathogens may be present in the air, water, or soil, or maybe in a physiological contact, or maybe through the vectors. They can spread from one person to another person easily. So the disease causing pathogen may be virus or bacteria or fungi or protozoan, helminthic parasites. ஹெல்மின்திக் அப்படின்னு என்னென்னா வார்ம், புழுன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த வார்ம்ஸ் மூலமாக வரக்கூடிய, பேராசைட்டிக் வார்ம்ஸ் மூலமாக வரக்கூடிய டிசீசஸ். So communicable diseases may be caused by the pathogen. The pathogens are virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoan, helminths parasites. Okay, and etc. Then the infectious diseases are common and everyone suffers from such disease at some times or the others. So mostly these communicable diseases, these infectious diseases, it is caused all the individuals. Maybe they can suffer the diseases. Okay, so infectious diseases are common and then everyone suffers. It is common, all the individuals, they can suffer from such diseases at sometimes. Okay, most of the times they can suffer from the disease. Most of the bacterial diseases are curable, but all the viral diseases are not curable. Okay, or not na, mostly it is not curable. Okay, bacterial diseases, okay, it is curable. Most of the bacterial diseases are curable. Some infectious diseases like AIDS may be fatal. AIDS, it is spreading through the virus, we know, but it is a fatal. What is the meaning of fatal? Cause to the death, it is known as the fatal disease. Okay, can you understood all of you? The infectious diseases or communicable diseases. The next we are going to discuss non-infectious disease. Non-infectious disease are not transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person. So they cannot transfer from one person to another. In origin, they may be genetic or nutritional and degenerative cells, degeneration of the cells. Okay, genetic disease, example cystic fibrosis. Nutritional disease, example vitamin deficiency diseases. And degeneration of the cells, arthritis, heart attack, stroke. it is caused by the degeneration of the cells. So this disease they cannot spread from one person to another. Okay, so among non-infectious diseases, cancer is one of the major causes of death. The non-infectious diseasesலே cancer அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடியது, that is also they cannot transfer from one person to another, but it is a high risk, it is causing to the death. Okay, can you understand all of you?